Here's a present from Scott Neal.
What is it, mate?
It's, all old school box program, before box program information.
Wow.
So,
Oh my God, like, wow. Wow. Oh, that is exactly the kind of stuff that I need right now. The ISO box, yeah. I was looking for. I've got some calculations on it. So all I need to do now is find those speakers. Oh wow, the Pioneer bass book. Look at this. This is fantastic. My gosh. Oh wow. Yep. So I'm like the custodian of this, the history. Oh, yeah, see, that is crazy. Oh, mate, that's fantastic. Thank you.
it's all stuff he found when he was moving.
Oh, right, okay. MTX. I'm actually going to have to sit down and do some...
Bedtime reading.
Yeah, no, I did. And I was, well, strangely enough, I'm probably one of those sad people that sits and reads Vance Dickinson's, you know, the loudspeaker cookbook and go, wow, that's fantastic. Mate, that's awesome. Mate, that is fantastic. Thank you.
And there's some old school DVJs, Mags and Alpine Mag and